it's actually good.
Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we are going to unbox this Dash ice cream maker and we're going to try it out because the weather is getting warm and my son always wants ice cream at home. So this is a perfect and more affordable way to give him ice cream. So we want to try this product out. Let's unbox this first. Hello Foodie. And this is the control on and off switch and the cable. There's a spatula and mixer. The body itself. And the manual instruction. Oh, has recipe inside as well. Alright, so it looks simple enough. The mixer goes straight in here and that's it. Put top back on, plug it in, and I just turn it on and that's about it. So we gonna go wash this thing up a little bit and then go try it out. Alright, so we're gonna mix some non-dairy ice cream. The ingredients as follow. We have 2/3 cup of coconut cream and 1/3 cup of non-dairy milk, teaspoon or spoonful of sugar, and some vanilla extract. The pint can only hold up to 1 cup, so you don't want to go over. And now, once you take the pint out from the freezer, you should pour in all the mixture that's been chilled in the fridge. So one of the things about this ice cream maker is you have to chill the ingredients. Otherwise, it's going to be harder for it to form, become solid. All right, once you have put everything in there, and now we have to mix. There's only one button here, so just turn it on. Okay, so it's been a little bit over 5 minutes, and as you can hear, the tone has changed a little bit. It sounds is moving a lot slower than initially. So what I'm going to do now is pour out to see. Yeah, it's getting there. Right now, it's kind of like a soft serve ice cream. So what I'm going to do now is actually scoop them out. Oh, see on the side, it's getting solidified. So the whole process is just trying to introduce air into it, so it's make it more fluffy and get the texture of the ice cream. So what I'm gonna do is to pour everything into this cup and put in the freezer. Okay, so I get a little bit under half of a pint here, and what I'm gonna do now is to just put inside the freezer and take it out in a couple hours and see what happens. All right, so it's been a couple hours. Let's open it up. Yeah, it's frozen solid actually. I think it was better off earlier when I just finished mixing it. It was still kind of soft. It was like a soft serve yogurt like texture, but right now it's like frozen solid. Yeah, but it tastes really good though. All right, so my takeaway with this is, so it's really hard to get consistency out of this ice cream machine. Every time we use it, we get different result. So there's only one time out of many that we were able to make a really good ice cream out of it, is when you see in the beginning of the video when my son was eating the ice cream cone. That was the perfect one we have gotten out of it. Ever since then, we were unable to reproduce the same texture. With that particular ice cream, what we did was we used the yogurt that he normally eat and put in the freezer before we mix it. We didn't put in the freezer for too long, because if you froze that thing, you're not going to be able to mix anything. So we put it in the freezer for a good 10 minutes and we took it out and we're still in the liquid form, and then we mixed it really quickly and was able to form a very ice cream like texture. So that was the perfect one that we have gotten out of so far. My takeaway with this is it is a novelty to have, and if you want to try out different ingredients to make ice cream, sure, just go ahead and do it at home. But it's very time consuming, especially when the consistency is never the same every time you make it. Anyway, take it what you will. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.